air will move in as we're heading towards tomorrow, Neville. And I think tomorrow's going to be the best day in terms of temperatures and sunshine of the next 70 degrees for a high for your Thursday. We'll hold on to most of that warmth for your Friday, but a cold front is going to push into the area Friday night. And for the weekend, that's going to bring another drop in terms of temperatures. Now, it's going to be chilly for today, but I think it's going to be cold. I think that's a good way to phrase it as we're heading into the weekend. Highs will only be in the 40s here, below normal for both days of your weekend ahead. Now, as that front passes by, maybe a spit or sprinkle south side of town, but really not a lot of moisture to work with this system Friday night. But plenty of cold air to work with behind this system as we're heading into the weekend. Overnight lows again falling close to freezing and high temperatures in the middle 40s for both days. As we're looking towards next week, another system will push through the area on Monday, giving us the chance of a few spotty rain showers and maybe even the potential, Chris, of a few snowflakes mixing in on Monday morning. So watching out for that.